In this video you will learn which payment methods can be used to buy credits and how you can add these in MailCom's Expert.tools. MailCom Expert.tools is a browser application that provides versatile business data research and enhancement tools. Serious business professionals, marketing, sales, and purchasing managers use Expert.tools to leverage their business success. In the following, I will explain which payment methods can be used to buy credits or pay the monthly fee of your Expert.tools subscription plan. Following that, I will show you how you can manage payment methods in Expert.tools. Let me first explain what kind of payment methods you can use. To buy credits or pay the subscription fee in Expert.tools, you have the choice between two payment methods. These are credit cards as well as direct debits using your bank account. Now I will show you where you can enter new payment methods. In the first step, you are required to provide a valid payment method during the account creation process. Once you created the account and provided the payment method, you have the possibility to add other payment methods or to change the existing one. I will now show you how to do that. As you can see, I have already uploaded an address file to Expert.tools, and both my browser instance and my master account are connected. If you want to learn more about browser instances or how to create a new master account, I recommend watching the respective videos. You can find the links in the video description below. To add a new payment method, please go to the File menu, then click the Settings submenu, and finally select the Payment Methods menu item. Now the Payment Methods window appears. Here you can see the payment methods which you have provided so far. In the account used for this video, we only have that single payment method, which was provided during account creation. The green active box says that this payment method is currently active. This means that it will be used for paying the running subscription fee and every time you will buy additional credits. Please note that as soon as you add a new payment method, it will become the new active payment method. The running subscription as well as future purchases of credits will be billed against it. At the time of recording this video, it is not possible to switch back to an already existing payment method. If this still applies and you intend to do so when you are watching this video, please contact the MailCom sales team. We will help you. Now we will add a new payment method. To do that, we click on the small green button with the plus sign, which you can find here at the bottom in the right corner of the window. Once you click the green button, a pop-up will ask for your master password. Now we enter the master password. So let's do that. And when we click on the continue button, we will be redirected to the payment details page. First, we select which type of payment method we want to add. For this demo, I will choose direct debit, which is mainly used in Europe for standing SEPA bank orders. Now we enter the payment details. For this video, we use some dummy data. After you've entered all the important payment details, click on Update at the bottom of the page. A new window appears now where you have to confirm the SEPA mandate. So let's do that. And the next screen shows that the SEPA mandate was successfully created and that we can now close the window. Now we return to the Expert.tools browser tab. To see the newly added payment method, click on the blue Update button. It can take up to 5 minutes until the new payment method appears. As you can see, the new payment method shows up and is labeled as active. We have now successfully added the new payment method. The new payment details will be used for further purchases and the ongoing subscription. To finish the whole process, just click on the Close button. We have now reached the end of this tutorial. In this video you learned which payment methods you can use in Expert.tools and how to add or change them. If you want to learn more about Expert.tools, you will find more videos on our channel or on our Expert.tools website. If you have any discussion items, questions or suggestions, please let us know by commenting on the video below. You can also contact sales or just send us an email.